Hi everybody, my name is Eddie Philpott. This is the first class that I've been taking here at Fort Hays State University alongside MIT 812. I'm in the Instructional Technology Master's Program. I'm a math teacher at Huntley High School, which is in Huntley, Illinois, right outside of Chicago. I teach at a one-to-one school, so all of our students have Chromebooks. And I also teach a blended learning course. So very similar to like an online flipped classroom. All of our instructional videos would be made ahead of time and then posted online. We use PowerSchool Learning for our learning management system, I guess you call it. But my goals would be to better incorporate technology in my classroom. I feel like I do a pretty good job of that just with everything that I already have set up, but I realize that things are constantly changing, and there might be one program or application to do something now, and a better one could come along that I may not know about. And also finding things that work with math. I know one of my weaknesses is that I'm shown a lot of great instructional tools. From the technology standpoint of it, we have some instructional coaches at our school. But sometimes I'm very quick to dismiss something as not being very effective in a math classroom. We're kind of different in a lot of ways in that aspect. I guess one of my strengths would be already having a fairly good technology background. I'd consider myself pretty googly. So far it seemed like a easy transition into this program at Fort Hays State, so we'll, fingers crossed that continues. But it's nice to meet everybody, and I'm looking forward to collaborating with all of you.